What's it doing? We like that. Make it go. Uh-oh. Make it go. Say thank you, Aunt Pat. Make it go. Don't pull it off. Spin it. Yay! What a good job. What are you doing? Blake, what are you doing? You're spinning it. It won't come off. Finally, we found something. Oh, we finally found something it'll stick to. Oh, that's it. Say bye. Blake. Nanny will put it back. Hold on. What?